Motorcycle helmet intercoms have evolved from niche accessories to essential riding gear, enabling safe two-way communication, music sharing, GPS prompts, and hands-free calls without removing gloves. Budget models now offer surprisingly capable performance, competing with mid-range options on features like water resistance, noise cancellation, music sharing, and multi-user groups. In this review,
List number 1. Motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset two-way intercom 550 yards. The Aliexpress Y12 Pro is positioned as a budget-friendly two-rider intercom with a robust feature set that includes two-way intercom, music sharing, Vox or voice assistant access, and IP56 waterproofing. It emphasizes user-friendly operation with large buttons suitable for glove use and claims up to 25 hours of music or talk time from a 1000 mAh battery, plus quick pairing and auto reconnect. It ships with both boom and wired microphones to accommodate different helmet fits, and it supports dual phone pairing for convenient call handling across devices. Performance-wise, the Y12 Pro leverages a 40mm driver and DSP CVC noise reduction to improve clarity at highway speeds. In practice, the audio chain provides louder-than-average output for a budget device, though the single-channel headset approach means it may struggle slightly with very loud wind noise compared to higher-end models. The installation guidance is comprehensive but somewhat prescriptive about helmet space. Users without reserved speaker space may need to modify padding. The pairing process is straightforward, but users should note the device uses a 2.5mm headphone jack on the host and may require compatible adapters for some phones. Overall, this unit is best for riders who want the basics well executed at a sub-$20 price, with emphasis on reliability and simplicity.
List number 2. Motorcycle headset E1 helmet intercom headset with CVC noise cancellation. The White-Eyes E1 targets riders seeking a compact, purpose-built two-way intercom with modern convenience features, including CVC noise cancellation, IPX6 waterproofing, and a dedicated music control interface. It touts 30-meter intercom range and up to 12 hours of music/talk time with a 2-hour charge, plus clear wireless technology for simplified pairing. The design emphasizes quick access to basic controls and clear calls, making it an approachable option for weekend riders and passenger communication on short to medium trips. In use, the E1 delivers clear voice calls thanks to CVC noise cancellation and premium hi-fi stereo speakers. The 10-meter Bluetooth range and on-ear form factor with touch controls contribute to a user-friendly experience, though the range may feel limited in open highway riding with multiple wind lanes. The IPX6 rating provides confidence in rain, spray, and sweat, but there is limited information on multitask capabilities, for example, music sharing while intercom active. For riders who prioritize straightforward setup, reliable two-person intercom, and solid weather resistance, the E1 provides a balanced, value-driven option.
List number 3. Q4 Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System Headset Intercom. Skyvent Q4 targets group riders with multi-user support, offering up to 6-person intercom, though listed as 4-rider pack in the product title, and 1500-meter range, Bluetooth 5.1, and dual pack packaging. The device integrates FM radio and a robust 750 mAh battery rated for up to 24 hours of talk time and 30 hours of music playback. IP65 waterproofing and a modular design that supports different helmet configurations position Q4 as a versatile option for organized rides and touring groups. Performance-wise, the Q4's Bluetooth 5.1 dual connect architecture and 1.5 kilometer range per spec enable reliable group communication and music sharing, with a notable emphasis on group dynamics. The FM radio is a nostalgic but practical feature for long trips. Real-world use suggests solid battery endurance for day-long rides, but setup complexity can be higher due to multiple units and wiring. For riders who regularly ride with small to mid-size groups and want music sharing, FM, and weather protection in one package, the Q4 offers a strong feature plus value proposition, especially given its price near $95.
List number 4. Motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset intercom communication systems. The XGP Pack is a premium option within the budget category, featuring a lightweight 39 gram per unit design, 1200-meter intercom range, and Bluetooth 5.2 with Qualcomm chipset for low latency. The two-pack format emphasizes two-rider sharing with music sharing, built-in voice assistant compatibility, and IP67 waterproof protection. It claims up to 35 hours of intercom call time and 30 hours of music playback, positioning itself as a long-haul touring solution with strong durability and a focus on high-quality audio performance. In use, the XGP system benefits from the 40mm hi-fi speakers and DSP CVC noise cancellation to minimize wind and road noise. The universal pairing feature is particularly appealing to riders who own multiple brands of helmets or wish to integrate with existing headsets. The main trade-offs include the slightly more complex setup due to its feature-rich stack and the need to accommodate the over-ear design on different helmet types. Nevertheless, for riders who demand long battery life, IP67 protection, and robust audio with music sharing and voice assistant, the XGP provides top-tier value in this budget segment.
List number 5. Motorcycle helmet Bluetooth intercom, IP65 waterproof, talk noise cancelling, dual communication. The generic Y102X 2-pack targets value-focused buyers seeking IP65-rated waterproof intercoms with 2-channel push-button operation, a 32-hour battery life, and USB-C fast charging. It emphasizes the dual-rider use case with a straightforward interface and USB-C charging for quick top-ups. The model leans into a rugged all-weather design with an emphasis on long playtime and practical controls for wearing gloves. Performance-wise, the Y102X uses Bluetooth 5.3 and a 40mm dynamic driver for sound, with an emphasis on reliability and broad compatibility with smartphones and Bluetooth devices. However, the spec sheet's high battery life comes at the expense of fewer premium features seen in more expensive models: limited music sharing depth, basic intercom functionality. For riders who want the most economical two-rider setup with decent range and straightforward operation, the generic option provides a solid baseline with room to upgrade in the future if needed.